Okay, so I'm now going to show you how to overcome an issue that you have balance but you can't connect to profit sharing service because you have different crypto available than USDT. In balance section you can see that balance is translated into Bitcoin and USDT. That's always done inside Zignaly. So you may think right now that you have 63 USDT to allocate, for example, to profit sharing service. And let's say what's happening now when we are going to profit sharing, whatever, let's go to Speedy, let's try to copy this trader, and we see that our available balance is 0 because we don't have USDT. And we would like to copy that trader with USDT, but we are finding out that we have deposit Bitcoin instead of USDT. So our crypto composition says that 100% of our balance, our current balance, is in Bitcoin, but it represents 63 USDT. So what we have to do now, go to Trading Terminal, and we have to find out the crypto pair which we are going to use. So we are going to switch BTC to USDT. So we are going to BTC USDT pair. And then we have to go to enter strategy field and change into import from exchange. So let's import from exchange. Let's put 63 USDT because that's the amount of USDT which we currently have. You can also put it like that because that's the actual amount of Bitcoin available on this account. So then we are going to open position. Okay, the order has been created. We now see that we have a position in Bitcoin. Let's see in the dashboard, it's visible over here. And the only thing what we have to do now to change our BTC to USDT is pressing exit position. Are you sure you want to exit position? We are pressing confirm because we are sure that we want to. Position exit request was performed. We can go to edit position. Oh, it's gone already. So now we're going to balance. We are going to sync our balance because situation has been not changed yet. And now, as you can see, we have 100% USDT, which represents nearly the same amount that we had before. It's lower because we had to pay a market order fee for changing that. So that's the whole process. Now we have USDT. Let's go to profit sharing. Here is our Speedy, which we were trying to connect earlier. Copy this trader. And now, as you can see, we have available 63 USDT to allocation. So that's how you are changing coins from whatever to USDT within Zignaly.